introduce Filipino cuisine to
South Korea.
Oh my gosh.
Korean-Filipino innovation.
We've started getting ready.
I think I'm still on cloud 9.
It's our day 0 in Seoul.
here we go.
Good luck.
That's really bad. Oh my God, my skin.
Ay! Hello, hello, hello.
That's not good.
Order for table number 100.
Hi.
Medyo parang dumadami sila.
Hindi mo nabigay kayo na chef yung order ni table number.
1? Oh my gosh, my bad, my bad.
Parang mali yung ginawa ko.
We need help.
Chef!
몇 분이세요? 아, 네.
Sinigang, 1 palabok, 1.
I need to try. 완전 괜찮아. 도와줄게.
신감입니다.
들어가겠습니다. 3 inasal.
Palabok.
Fish.
Table number 5. Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,